Hello. Hello. Are you sleepy? When you're nearly there, when you're nearly in Tesco. So hold on. Yeah. Nearly there. So nandito na kami sa Tesco. One of them. Wala pa din talagang stock yung ultra dry na size 3. I need pads as well, please.
What do you know?
Get two. I don't have one upstairs as well.
What?
Or do we have a lot upstairs, cotton buds?
No.
That's it, Lil.
Look at the bottle.
Let's go, Lily. May pa-music, mang Tesco, oy. Hello, it's another day. So kami ni Lily, nandito kami sa Asda. Hi, Lily. We're waiting for the baby changing room na maging available kasi I'm gonna change Lily. And kailangan ko ding mag-CR. Ang kagandahan dito sa Asda, malaki yung baby changing area nila. There are some supermarkets kasi na maliit yung changing area nila. Ito, spacious. Yes? I wonder. I'm pretty sure meron tayo sa Pilipinas. Pero nung nasa Pilipinas kasi ako, hindi ko siya napansin kasi at that time wala akong pakialam kasi of course wala akong baby. May mga donuts sila dito, 93p. Iba-iba yung klase. King cream donut, caramel ice donuts. Ito, white ice donut. And then, chocolate. Mukhang masarap to. We'll see. Mamaya na tayo bimili ng food, anak. Maghanap muna tayo ng kape. And magtingin-tingin tayo ng sale, of course. Ang lalaki naman ito, eh. Wala mamang magkasya sa atin. Pwede itong maging helmet. Ay, nako, may pa-music yung Asda, mga loves. Do you want a Minnie Mouse sunglasses? It's not food. She's opening her mouth. Ang cute naman ito, anak. Very cute. You're too young for this, anak, oy. Shall we try this? Binasa ko sa likod. Not suitable for children under 3 years old. So, hindi daw suitable para sa iyo, anak. So, wag tayo niyan. Maghanap na lang tayo ng iba, ha? Right, maghanap tayo ng coffee. Saan yung Nescafe nila dito? Magkano kaya yung kape nila dito, anak? $7.25. Mas mahal dito. Yeah, mas mahal dito. Kasi sa Tesco, yung 300 grams nila is $7.25. Sa Tesco kasi yung 300 grams is $6.99. So mas mahal. Hindi tayo bibili dito, anak. Abort the plan. Kasi minsan kasi dito mura yung kape nila. Ngayon mahal. Naibanggit ko ba sa inyo kung bakit nandito kami sa Asda? We're killing our time kasi hinihintay namin yung papa niya kasi si John is having an eye operation para sa cataract niya. So this is the second time. So I don't know how long he will be. But yeah, we're just here strolling. And kung matagal pa si John, uuwi siguro kami sa bahay.
Dad had little
Come
prince.
on, we're home, mga loves. Everything went well.
Yes, Daddy's got 2 eyes today.
Yeah.
He got an arrow on my head, look.
Yes, that's
And
Dada.
Lily thinks, what's happened to my dad? It's grown on his face.
So, do you want to show them, Lily, your dress? So there's quite a lot of dress in there na nagustuhan ko, pero it's no point of buying like the 3 of them. So binili ko lang is dalawa. Actually, there's 5 options, pero dalawa lang yung binili ko. So ito, yes, Lily. Yeah, that's your dress. And this one. Yeah. With a cherry on it. Yes. And we got the hat as well. This is for 6 to 12 months. Kasi yung hat niya is too small na. Hindi na siya naggaganon ba? Hindi na siya nag-reach. Hindi, anak na. So, bumili din kami ng mga bits and bobs dito. And bumili din kami ng para sa aming lunch. Do you want Dada's pork pie? Oy. Ito yung lunch namin ngayon. Pizza. And then, bumili ako ng donut. Oy, kasi di ba kanina, ang daming donut sila. Bumili ako ng caramel donut. Ayan. Yes, Lily? Mama just need to change, okay? And you need to behave because Dada is not allowed to lift you because you're quite heavy now.
Like an elephant, though. Darling, Lily.
Wow! We got
So you did.
a pushchair. Oh, she's watching. How's that, Lily? How's your new pushchair?
The thing is to put it, if you need to take the wheel off, you press it and pull the wheel off, darling.
Is it?
Yeah, it's so easy to do. You have to make it smaller room
Yeah.
in your car.
So if you have a bigger wheel, it's more comfortable, really.
And then you can add this in here.
Put that. Put it so that you can. We need to adjust the strap, anak. I think more.
Yeah, a lot bit tighter then.
Yeah, more tighter.
Yeah, well.
Yay! No,
That keeps her in.
that was. There you go.
Can hold that. Oh,
No,
your arms are not
the-
long enough yet.
Not long enough yet.
So we don't
Hi, Lily.
do one-handed job.
I know it's a lot easier because the wheels are big.
Exactly.
Hi. Do you like it?
There's something I'm going to see what it's like down the steps.
Hold on, Lily. Hold on.
Look how easy that is.
Careful, oi.
Yeah, but she's still low, isn't she?
Mm.
Yeah.
Hello. There you go.
You can do it like
So it's maximum for 4 years old.
that.
Yeah, it says on the back, max for 4 years old.
Yeah.
Ano kaya yung dadalhin ko kay Lily ay kasi sobrang unpredictable ng weather dito sa UK and this is Lily's first holiday. Hindi ko talaga alam. Hindi ako makapag-decide. Dalhin ko siguro to lahat. I don't know. So anyway mga loves, we're going on our last minute holiday. So kaninang umaga lang sabi ni Jan, punta tayo sa Wales. Sabi ko, ha? Kailan? Sabi niya, tomorrow. Sabi ko, okay. So ako naman nagpanik kasi Ako kasi yung tipong tao na I like to prepare ahead of time. Pero wala akong maraming oras para mag-prepare dito sa holiday na to. So anyway, ang dadalhin ko siguro is, I'm thinking, 2 suitcase, ito, and then yung palagi kong dinadala na backpack, yung nappy backpack talaga. So, yeah. Ano talaga siya, biglaan. Kasi yun na nga, si Jan, kaka-opera lang din ng mata niya and everything went well. And kailangan din kasi niyang mag-rest for couple of weeks. Hindi siya pwedeng magtrabaho. So, naboboard siya. So, sabi niya mag-holiday tayo. So, sabi ko, okay, let's go on holiday. I think ma-upload ko to mga after na siguro namin mag-holiday. I'm pretty sure magpo-post ako ng mga pictures sa Facebook na we are on our holiday. Pero itong video na to, ma-upload ko to pagbalik na namin. Dadalhin ko to. Sobrang cute nito. Yan. Ang daming shoes ni Lily, mga loves. Bigay din to. Maraming salamat talaga. Yeah. Ito, punong-puno to. Yung iba, pinamigay ko na din kasi hindi na magkasya sa kanya. Lalo na to, sobrang cute nito. Look. Yan. Diba? Sobrang cute. And of course, nakita nyo to nung nag-photoshoot siya na si Jessie siya. Anyway, hindi na ako magtatagal dito kasi I need to get ready. Hindi lang kasi yung akin yung i-ready ko, yung kay Lily, kay Jan, everything. So, anyway, bye for now and I'll see you whenever. Sana maka-vlog ako pagpunta namin sa Wales. Let's see na lang. Kasi, of course, pahirapan na mag-vlog ngayon, lalo na pag may baby. So, yeah, hopefully, I'll see you.